What's up guys, welcome to Products Room. Choosing the best drone for photographers can be confusing, especially with so many options available in the market. Luckily, to help you find the right photography drone for your needs, we've done the homework for you, and we have compiled a list of some of the best drones for photographers you can buy right now. So be sure to stay till the end, so you don't miss anything. And hey, we want to hear from you too. If you have any favorite photography drone, be sure to let us know in the comments below. We love discovering new products and hearing about your experiences. Now, let's get started. The first drone on our list is DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an excellent balance between value and quality. It isn't as feature-packed as some of its more premium DJI siblings, but with an agreeable price tag and a quality camera, it's a popular drone that won't disappoint. It's lightweight at 249 grams and folds to a compact 5.7 by 3.5 by 2.4 inches. Conveniently, the weight means you won't need to register it in most countries and regions, saving you time and effort on paperwork. It has an excellent 48 megapixel camera, and you can shoot stunning video in 4K at up to 60 FPS. Image quality is superb, no matter the time of day. The camera has a wide f1.7 aperture and supports dual native ISO, ensuring superior image quality in various lighting conditions, including nighttime. The drone also features a new 90-degree rotating gimbal for vertical shooting. Flight time is also good at up to 34 minutes, while the tri-directional obstacle sensing and advanced pilot assistance system 4.0 means you can navigate complex environments such as forests or urban areas with ease. It's a good choice for drone noobs and a pleasure to fly for experienced pilots. There are various choices available regarding the remote control. You can opt for the classic RCN one that you use with your smartphone or the newer DJI RC with a built-in display. You can also opt for the cheaper option of no remote control if you already have one from a previous purchase. The next drone on our list is DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is a premium, professional level, and versatile drone that boasts 3 cameras. The main one has a 4/3 20 megapixel sensor and features Hasselblad color and a 24mm f2.8 equivalent angle of view. It delivers the best image quality with accurate color reproduction. You can also capture images in RAW format with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops and quality videos in 5.1K at 50 FPS, DCI or UHD 4K at 120 FPS, and Full HD at 200 FPS. The medium telephoto camera features a 1.3 inches 48 megapixel sensor with a 70mm f2.8 angle of view. It lets you get in closer than most drones and delivers excellent image quality. The third is a half-inch 12 megapixel 166mm f3.4 lens with a 28x digital zoom. Image quality is superior on the medium telephoto lens, but this extra long lens still has its uses, such as shooting for industrial purposes. The drone is a joy to fly, with total sensor coverage for obstacle avoidance and a PAS 5.0 fortifying safety. The up to 43-minute flight time enhances enjoyment further, although the 8GB of internal storage means you must also budget for a microSD card. For more storage and accessories, you can opt for the Fly More combo, while there is also a controller upgrade option to the DJI RC Pro. Professionals may want to opt for the Mavic 3 Pro Syn at a considerably higher price, but with that hefty upcharge, you get support for Apple ProRes encoding. The next drone on our list is Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E is an affordable, easy-to-operate drone perfect for beginners. In addition to its ease of use, the brushless motor ensures newbies can focus solely on improving flying and photography skills. Parts don't need replacing as frequently, and the build quality is excellent. It also has numerous features, including electronic image stabilization and a follow me mode, that make it an ideal introduction to the world of drone photography. For beginners looking for an easy-to-use drone to help them master aerial photography, the Holystone HS720E is an ideal choice. It supports intelligent flight modes that enable you to achieve high-quality shots and footage without the need to interact with your drone often. Follow Me is one mode that allows the drone to track your movement for easy recording when jogging, mountain climbing, or exploring nature. The frequent need to dismantle and replace parts in a drone with brushed motors can be tricky for beginners. For this reason, the Holystone HS720E embraces a brushless motor, which reduces wear and tear as there are no brushes that require constant contact with the power terminals. Besides increasing the drone's efficiency, you won't have to worry about the annoying screeching sound. Another feature that deserves recognition is the EIS, Electronic Image Stabilization. It ensures you view blur-free and sharp content despite the shaking from the drone's propellers. The next drone on our list is Autorobotics Evo Lite Plus. One thing that sets the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus apart from other drones is its 6K video captures, which lets you shoot cinematic footage at 30 FPS. This resolution gives you more pixels to play with, so even newbies can end up with professional level images. This drone also incorporates a 1-inch CMOS that makes it easy to capture sharp and detailed videos in low light conditions. Extreme wind can be lethal to drones, so buying a model that stands up to harsher weather conditions is crucial. Fortunately, this quadcopter can resist level 7 winds. You can fly it at vertical elevations of up to 800 meters without worrying that it will be tossed around in the sky. If your photography content revolves around foggy environments, then you'll appreciate the defog mode. With this function, your drone automatically switches the camera's vibrancy settings, so images below a waterfall or hilltops appear crisp. The next drone on our list is Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. Another lightweight drone to beat the FAA weight threshold is the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. Like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, it does so without compromising on image quality. With dimensions of 5.6 by 3.7 by 2.2 inches, it also folds down neatly into a compact size that you can carry around burden-free. The camera uses a 1.28-inch CMOS sensor and boasts a wide 23mm f1.9 aperture that performs admirably in low light. The 3-axis gimbal enhances its low-light performance and delivers sharp stills and smooth aerial footage. You can shoot 12-megapixel RAW or DNG stills, or you also have the option of 50-megapixel JPGs. Video resolution is 4K at 30 FPS. If you want to shoot with higher frame rates, you get 1080 pixels at 60 FPS. The 3-way obstacle avoidance system makes it a reasonably easy drone to fly. However, this is ineffective in low light, so it's best to fly in more open spaces once the sun sets. The controller is a cinch to operate and has a range of up to 10 kilometers, while the Autel app is intuitive and constantly updated. It features a variety of automated shooting modes, further enhancing its suitability for inexperienced pilots. However, flight time is an average of 28 minutes, although you can extend this by buying the premium bundle, which includes 2 extra batteries. The next drone on our list is DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is an excellent drone for beginners. While it doesn't beat FAA weight restrictions, it is still remarkably lightweight and compact despite its large 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor. It features a wide 22mm f2.8 lens. The aperture is fixed and delivers excellent image quality, even in low light. Noise only becomes apparent at the higher end of the ISO range, while the 5.4K 30 FPS video is sharp and detailed. You also get 4K at 60 FPS and 1080 pixels at 120 FPS. Some excellent features for drone noobs looking to shoot out-of-the-box professional videos include DJI's automated flight modes and focus track mode, which automatically follows a subject that you draw a box around. You can also manually fly the drone while the camera locks onto your chosen subject with Spotlight 2.0. The safety features of the drone also allow new pilots to enjoy flying without fear of destroying the device. With 4 directions of obstacle sensing and a PAS 4.0, avoiding trees and other potential dangers is a cinch. With the drone's AirSense feature, it also detects planes and helicopters and displays them on screen, while Geo 2.0 prevents the drone from flying near sensitive areas, such as airports. The next drone on our list is Sony Airpeak S1. The Sony Airpeak is a quadcopter designed for the professional photographer. It doesn't have an integrated camera, but the Airpeak S1 is the smallest drone available for carrying Sony Alpha mirrorless cameras. Whether you are shooting TV commercials or documentaries and want to take aerial footage with a Sony Alpha camera, this is the drone to buy. However, you'll need bottomless pockets to purchase this drone. And it doesn't end there because it's only compatible with the pricey GBL-T3 from Gremsy Gimbal. And, of course, you will need a Sony Alpha camera too. While all this pricey equipment may be intimidating to fly around, once you take off, it's actually a straightforward drone to fly. However, it is massive, and with all the additional equipment, it's also heavy. But it does have plenty of safety features to instill confidence. The drone is resistant to winds as strong as 44.7 miles per hour, and defies extreme temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 104. It also features multi-directional sensing and a highly effective obstacle braking function that detects objects from as far as 180 feet, enabling it to gently slow down instead of suddenly halting, which might otherwise endanger your premium equipment. However, one flaw the drone has is its poor battery life. Although marketed at 22 minutes, this is how long you will get while pointlessly flying without the camera. Once you also include the gimbal, battery life is limited to 12 minutes. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, and this video helped you out. Don't forget to leave a like, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this in the future. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you later.